kung sakasakaling si Alan Peter masama, kasi naging ano siya, I think July 2019 na eh. Natapos yung construction around October. Malaki nang natapos dun sa construction nang pumasok siya eh. Pumalit lang siya dun sa dating POC chair.
Magkaiba nga po yan, Ma'am Ami. Magkaiba nga po yan.
So ano yung, kung ano man yung,
construction,
ano yung punto, kung sakasakaling pumasok si Alan Peter, ano yung magiging punto ng investigasyon covering him? Kasi
Yung
naging
sa
speaker
Facebook
siya
nga
nun
po,
eh.
Siguro, Director, i-summarize nyo lang ano ba yung usapin dyan, halimbawa sa Peace Corps. Dahil siya para
Sa
siyang
Peace
NGO
Corps
para siyang NGO eh. Ano yung crux ng issue?
Tama po. Parang yung NGO, yung Peace Corps po, it was incorporated, registered with the SEC. For the purpose, ang pangalan pa lang na Philippine Sea Games Organizing Committee. So yun yung function nila. Sila po yung organizers dyan. So they took care of the allowance, yung pong mga pamasahe, yung air ticket, pagkain, uniform, rental ng mga kung saan po yung events. So it's a foundation po, board of trustees yan. Yung mga yan. So meron pong pera na pumasok dyan na pera ng gobyerno. Anong ibig sabihin po? Pag may pumasok na pera galing sa gobyerno, that is subject to liquidation. Subject to audit po yan. Pero since 2019 hanggang ngayon, wala naman pong nangyaring liquidation. Wala pong audit na nangyari. Napakalaki po ng perang pumasok. Ngayon, ang sinasabi ko nga po, we are mentioning, yung pong on record, 2.2 billion na napasok.
2.2.
Ano po? Tapos, dapat,
kailan siya binayad?
May report po.
Kailan siya pumasok? Yung 2.2 billion?
Pumasok po yan nung na-incorporate na yan. Na-incorporate na po yung PISOC before the start of the CJs mismo. So, pag may pera po pumasok, government money, that is always subject to a COA audit. So may submissions po. We are not speaking pa ng mga na ano po nila, yung mga donations na pumasok, ganyan. So, ang ano kasi rito, ang medyo question nga is, nagtayo ka ng organizing committee sa foundation, tapos government funds may pumasok, tapos it's a government sponsored event din. So bakit may private entity na humawak ng pera? So yun po yung papel ng PISCO. Ano po ito is? Foundation, ano po, kung naalala nyo yung Napoles, parang ganyan po yan. Napoles, pinasok po sa foundation, walang bidding, tapos wala palang nangyaring project. So, kailangan pong masubject sa audit.
Sino po yung mga organizer ng foundation? Would you know?
Doon po yung si Susara, yung konseho, lumalabas po yung pangalan. Yun po yung mga personality. Si Susara po yung chairman and president. So, wala
Saka,
po
kailan po siya na-organize? Kailan po siya na-organize?
Ano po? 2019 po. 2019.
Hindi, anong buwan nga? Anong buwan?
Well, I have to look at the records. Hindi ko po hawak yung records exactly ngayon kung anong buwan.
Ramon
Sir,
Cesaro, Dexter Estacio, and Lester Buen Consejo.
April 2019 po.
Okay.
Consejo, siya po yung corporate secretary.
Sir, if you don't mind, sir,
April 2019.
I'd like to go back to my question kanina kasi medyo nag-choppy kayo eh. So I'm not sure kung narinig ng mga tao yung sagot ninyo. Sabi nga ninyo kasi you are conducting an investigation now because there was a new document or there were new pieces of evidence that came out 7 years after this occurred. Could you be a bit more specific, sir? Ano itong mga bagong lumabas, bagong lumitaw, kaya't biglang nagkaroon ulit ng ganitong investigasyon?
We are in possession of the audited financial statement po. So yun po yung meron kaming isa dito. Ano po? Tapos meron pa po mga individuals who are communicating to us of their experiences. Ano po? Ang bottom line po dito, there was an investigation dapat ng Blue Ribbon which was stopped. For what reason it is, hindi po natin alam.
The audited financial statements should have come by The audited financial statements should have been released by 2020 or 2021 at the latest, di ba?
Dapat po. Dapat.
So
Tapos hindi lang
why
po
did you
yun.
only-
But the bottom line is, ito po. Yes po. Sige po, go ahead.
I mean, you're saying these are new documents, but audited financial statements should have been released within a year or two of the full year.
Technically, they are not new documents, but the investigating officers who's supposed to conduct an investigation, never got hold of those documents. Only now na nahawakan po natin yung documents.
So these are not new, no?
Oh,
These are
technically,
old
hindi po
documents.
sila
Not-
new documents.
Oo.
These are documents pero walang access. Ngayon wala nga din po nakita na wala nga yung pangalan niya ron eh. Na hindi naman, but he is presenting himself to be the chairman of PhilGov.
So not
Di mo ba?
technically,
No,
Yun ang
he
alam
was
ng
appointed
lahat.
chairman, actually. He was appointed chairman.
But he is not even a member of the board sa GIS.
Oo, hindi siya member ng
So
board.
paano ka magiging chairman kung hindi ka man member ng board of trustees po?
Oo.
So yun po yung
Ipapatawag niyo ba si
nating mga sagutan.
tatanungin niyo ba si Senator Cayetano?
Wala
Will
po,
you be
yung
asking
sasabihin na
him?
po namin. Sa Lunes po, ang sasabihin na pa lang namin is yung tatlong individual, si Susaro, Peg Consejo, and the CFO.
Yung,
Estacio.
Oo.
yung nasa,
Estacio.
yung officially nandun sa...
GIS.
Right.
Topas, opo,
Okay,
opo, yung officially. Nandun sa GIS po. Nag-update po sila ng GSI 2026 eh. Yun pa rin sila eh.
Yeah.
Ano doon pa rin
Okay.
po sila eh.
So we've established that the documents are not technically new, but you also said, Director, that you have people sharing their accounts with you. May ano ba to? How did you end up starting this case? Did somebody come to you guys and said you need to look into this, or may whistleblower ba to?
Meron po pumunta sa amin. Meron po.
To say,
Yes, meron. To provide us with the documents and to tell these accounts of what happened during that time.
and
There are other personalities that being mentioned and there are other fundings na may pinanggalingan na sinabi that yet to be verified.
exactly what is being alleged here? That there was overpricing, that there was bribery. What is it?
There's no bidding, there's no audit by the COA, and may mga overpricing, the uniforms, yung pagkain, yung mga hindi nabayaran. May mga nagrereklamo pong suppliers na hindi nabayaran.
As far as you know, Director, yung cauldron, yung kaldero, nabayaran na po ba? You said early in the show, hindi pa.
May report po sa akin na yung nag-design was not yet paid.
Until now.